Do we have to spend a lot of money on cosmetics? I don't think so. I'm kind of the queen of cheap cosmetics. These are 3 that I bought to replace some that I already use that I really like. It's Covergirl Matte Powder, the Covergirl Eyeliner, which I really like, and then the Covergirl Brow Pencil. I bought these a little bit lighter because I'm old and the one I had was super dark and I needed to go a little bit lighter. These are the 3 that I'm having to replenish. The Covergirl Matte Powder, I think it's in Buff Beige. And then I had the Eyebrow Pencil that was super dark. It's what I have on right now. And then the eyeliner, which is in black. I like these Covergirl pencils because they twist up. Like this one is out, so I don't have to sharpen it. This package, I got it at Walmart for $7.94, and there's 2 in here. As I said, it has a self-sharpening tip, and it's easy to apply. I got it in black. And there are the ingredients list, if you want to pause it and check all that. There's the information from Covergirl. Now, let's check the product. This is the new one, and on this end it has a little foam tip that you can use to blend if you want to. Don't use that, never have. And then on this end it has the product, and you just click it. You just click it and the product comes out like that. Can you even do the waterline if you like? I'm not an expert at this. I'm not an expert at this by any means, but I just wanted to show how easy this goes on. I apologize for you having to look at my old wrinkly eyes. They're the only ones I have. So it goes on pretty smoothly. It doesn't pull or tug. It's I have to wait for it to dry before I can use my eyelash curler. Well, classy me. But you can even do like the under part, and it's soft enough that you can do the waterline if you like, which I normally don't do because I just don't need to. It gives it like a darker look, which is not really what I'm going for during the day for my job. It's easy to do. It's so easy. I really like this product. This is what my eyebrows look like using the very black pencil. It's all I have on there. I don't have any brow dust or mascara type gel or anything like that on there. It's just the black Maybelline pencil. I'm about to open the Covergirl, and I'm kind of excited about this because it's a soft brown, and it also has a pencil sharpener in there. The one I have been using is this Expert Eyes by, I think it was Maybelline, and it was black. It was just really dark. It was way too dark for my age and my hair color now. It just looked, ooh, kind of Joan Crawford-ish. There's the difference in the color. It's really light. I'm hoping it's going to be dark enough. If not, then I might have to fill in with just maybe a stroke or 2 of the black. But let's see. Watch me do my bad eyebrows. Like I said, I'm not an expert at this by any means. There's a bunch of better eye tutorials out there, but I'm showing you how to do it with some cheap cosmetics on an old woman. So, Oh my God, how stupid am I? I did the black one. Okay, let's just do the other one with the light brown. This one is not as soft. I'm going to go out today with 2 different colored eyebrows. Okay, this one is not nearly as soft as the Maybelline. It's going to take some getting used to. Learning curve for this old lady. I have like a gap right there. We have no eyebrows. I actually used Latisse. I got Latisse years ago because my eyebrows were getting so thin and didn't really want to use it on my eyelashes, but I ended up using it on my eyelashes and I haven't used it in several years. And I think it's still as effective. Okay, so that's the difference. Let me get this. So I do like the lighter brown better than the black. It just, the black is like, ooh, way dark. And this one is much more natural looking to me. It's just, this one's super, super, super soft. The Maybelline one is super, super, super soft. And the Covergirl one is a little harder. But maybe that's a good thing for an eyebrow pencil. And I gotta fix my brows to go out. Well, it doesn't really need to have the point sharpened. I'm just going to use it to see what it looks like. This sharpener that came with this does not have a container, but you just have to do it like over the trash can. I'm doing it over this so I can show you what it looks like. But it looks like it does leave it with a fairly nice point. It was easy to use. So the sharpener's not bad. It doesn't look like much, but it doesn't matter what it looks like as long as it works, right? Okay, today I'm using just the brown one with some brown eyeshadow. My eyebrows are pretty sparse because of my age. And I don't want them too dark because my hair is lighter. It's going gray. And I'm trying to get lighter and lighter and lighter colors and stuff on it. So, it used to be super dark, almost black. So are my eyebrows. But that's not what we need anymore. Things change. I guess as we get older, we need to lighten up on a lot of things. Just trying to look presentable, not a glam queen. I like that much better than the black. Much better than the black. It goes on just fine. So I've been using this eyebrow pencil for a few days now, and I'm not really sold on it. It's really, really hard. It's easy to sharpen, but I think I really prefer the softer material from the Maybelline. But the color's great. It does go on. It just feels more like a pencil than a cosmetic. The color's fine, but you can see that it's leaving my skin like red underneath there. That's kind of a concern to me because why am I doing this with my left hand? Because I can't get to the camera otherwise. Okay, this is like, you can see it's leaving a lot of redness, and it just didn't do that with the other crayon or the other eyebrow pencil. And eyebrow pencils last me for a long time, and I can't see spending, God, the next year with this. You see how red my eyebrow is right there? I just can't see spending the next couple of years with this pencil. So I'm probably going to call Covergirl and see if I can get my money back on this and go get the Maybelline eyebrow pencil and the light brown. Yeah. Because I don't like that redness. That just can't be good for me. This is the new Covergirl powder that I use. I use the clean matte because I don't want to put any more oil on my face. This is what oops, sorry about that. I don't want to put any more oil on my face. This is what the older package looked like. It was just a little bit darker blue. And I use the one that's fairly dark because I use the tanner product on my face. So that looks pretty gross. I'm not going to show you what it looks like because it does have like oil from my face and all. But that's what it looks like opened. It was $5.94 at Walmart. Here's the back. It says it's for oily skin. It is matte pressed powder. It helps to absorb the oil, which I still have to blot like during the day, but it's not putting oil right on my face from the get-go. It's supposed to be, it doesn't clog your pores, it's unscented. It's supposed to be suitable for sensitive skin, and it's tested by dermatologists, and it comes with like a pad. However, these pads kind of get nasty to me, and I usually, about halfway through the compact, I replace it with a new pad. You can buy pads in sets of 3s from several different brands. Here's the ingredient list for the powder, and there's the manufacturer information, such as it is. There's the web address for CoverGirl, as well as their toll-free phone number. Let's open this up. The old CoverGirl used to have a really cool smell. It smelled like Noxzema, but they don't do that anymore. I guess people don't care for the eucalyptus type smell. Here's the little puff pad. There's a close-up of the powder. And brushing it on, it comes out of the package quite well. There's what it looks like on the pad. I have on my tanner on my face and my foundation that I normally use. I think I have a video up about that. And I normally just blot in here for the first time and put it on my nose, around my nose, and like that. And then I just use a brush to get a little bit and brush it around. About like that, and that's all I use, so it lasts a really long time. My final take on these 3 products, the CoverGirl Perfect Point Eyeliner is a definite plus. I love it. It has a really soft tip. I like the color. It doesn't smudge. I do have to put it on there and let it dry before I curl my eyelashes and put my mascara on there, but that's not really a problem. After I get it on there, it stays on all day long and doesn't smudge. It doesn't leak or bleed down into my eyes. It's easy to go on. There's no pulling. There's no tugging. So that one, yes, that's a definite yes. The CoverGirl Brow Pencil, while I do love the color, I do like the light brown. I had been using a dark black or dark brown and definitely needed to lighten up as I was older. It's easy to sharpen, and it does have a fine point, but the product is just too hard. It just takes a long time, and I think there's probably better products out there. The CoverGirl Clean Matte Finish, I really like this. I have no issues with it at all. It doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't smell bad. It goes on easily. I've tried other powders and they just sit on top of my skin or they cake up. This one does not do that. I get absolutely no caking, no bleeding, no cracking, nothing. I have no problems with the CoverGirl powder. So, 2 out of 3. It's not bad, I guess. Eyeliner, yes. Eyebrow pencil, no. Powder, yes. This is with all 3 products, the brown eyebrow pencil, the eyeliner, and the face powder. I'll have to get a massage. It's a good start to a Wednesday, right? Thank you for watching my video about these 3 cheap but great cosmetics. Remember it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and share the video if appropriate. Until next time, you don't have to spend a lot of money to be presentable. Take care. Bye.